Am I the best mommy in the world? Oh, I love you.
Daddy's love. I love him.
Good morning, beautiful people out there. What's going on? So I am out here in these streets fairly early. I told you guys, I think I told you guys, but I have my glucose test to take. It is so ugly and gloomy outside. Like, it's 48 degrees, raining, cloudy, drizzling, snowing. Obviously, it ain't snowing here, but it is so ugly outside, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So I just can't wait for the 80 degrees to come back. So I decided to put my hair in a little ponytail today, looking like I'm about to go to somebody's gym, but I ain't. At least not today, I'm not. But yeah, so I'm here at my appointment to do my glucose test, and of course it's not really long, depending on if you pass the first time. I've always passed. Past 2 times I've passed the test, so I'm just praying that I can't even talk. I'm praying that I pass again, because I've passed both times before. If you guys don't know what the glucose test is, it's pretty much a test where you drink a sugary drink. I think both times I've had the orange. Yeah, I've had the orange one just because I could tolerate it. Test to see if you have gestational diabetes, which is very common in moms, and you know, it's not bad, but they'll have to monitor it to make sure, you know, you and the baby are good until you give birth and everything. But fortunately, I've passed all times and everything, so I'm just praying, Lord Jesus, that I pass again and everything, because you have to fast before taking the test. And so I haven't eaten since like 7 something, and your girl is hungry. Like, I have a headache. I went to bed with a headache, so my mood is a little shot. Just forgive me. Like, I'll take some medicine, and I'll have to take some medicine and get some caffeine after this, but I had to fast and stuff, so that's why my mood is a little down, because I just have a little headaches. Nothing bad, thank God, but have a little headache, and my battery is dying. Like, why is my battery dying? 15 minutes, but I'm gonna go in like 5 minutes. I'm ready to get this over with, because you gotta wait an hour, and then if you don't pass, you gotta wait 3. Like, it's just a long process. So I'm hungry. Like, I want to eat. That's why tonight I'm cooking a big meal for us. It's Fish Friday, so we already bought our fish, seafood and stuff. So I am going in tonight. Do you hear me? Like, I'm so ready to eat. Like, I want to eat. Not apples and bananas. Like, I want to eat real food. Like, I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks after this, because I'm starving like Marvin, whoever that is. So not only am I cranky, I have a headache, I'm hungry. Okay, you feel my frustration? But now let me go ahead and go in. But if you've taken this test before, let me know what drink did you have, because I think they have like 3 flavors: the fruit punch, orange, and I don't know, different flavors. But let me know if you liked it and which one's your favorite. So let me go ahead and get my life and get inside, and I'll catch you guys later. Now let you guys know what the results are. here in Laredo, so we got here early, got the crash zone vibe, got the crash zone pass, and got to go down and see we got to go see the cars live or up close and personal. So now they're moving everything so they can start the show and stuff. Are you excited?
I look like an angry baby.
Yeah, you are excited? I'm somebody like, she's so girly, but she got a toy. Look, he has his ear. Hey, baby. He has his earmuffs on already. And it is empty. Nobody here right now. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but you had to pay extra for the crash zone. So only a few people were down there. So yeah, I just want to check in, let you guys know what's up, and let's see how this show's gonna go. So we had went to Monster Jam last year. We went to Monster Jam last July. Last July?
I remember the boys were with us.
Yeah, so now we're here at another monster truck show because my boy loves his monster trucks. He loves Hot Wheels, monster trucks, so we had to be here. We had to be here. Hey, did you enjoy your surprise? Yeah. Did you know we were taking you to monster trucks?
Monster Jam! How was Monster Trucks?
Yeah, tell them how did you enjoy it?
I like it.
You liked it?
Yeah.
What was your fave?
It's my favorite.
Who was your favorite?
My tiger shark, like this tiger shark.
Yeah. It's funny because he actually had one in the car before because he's into Hot Wheels and monster trucks and cars. So he had one before.
And I'm getting the octopus toy and the iPort.
So, aw, yeah, but I'm so glad we went because I would have felt like a bad mom not taking my kid to see his favorite thing in the world, monster trucks. No, am I the best mommy in the world? Am I the best mommy in the world? Oh, I love you.
Daddy's loved. I love him.
Oh, you love daddy too?
Yeah.
We love you. And you know, we'll do anything.
Running away.
You're running away. Yeah, it's late, you guys. Oh my gosh. Like, it is after 10 o'clock and we are just now getting home. So I hope you guys had a wonderful and great weekend, couple of days. Hold on, let me bring Selena in because we just took her out. Getting home and it is late. I am exhausted. hate when I wear my mask and my lips get chapped, like, ugh. Just, and it's cold. Like, it was nice earlier, but then it got cold all of a sudden. So, but yeah, so I'm about to get ready for the night, you guys. I feel bad because when I was vlogging, well, I started vlogging when I was cooking. I cooked a Cajun seafood dip and air fried fish. I can't talk. I'm so tired. And while I was recording, I forgot that my battery was dying because I forgot to put it on the charger when I got home. When I started cooking, it just cut off. This vlog might not be much or anything, but I'm gonna be a better vlogger, y'all. Got out the house today. I had to get the kids, well, I got Maddie a coat because she only had one coat, and because the weather, you know, here we don't really need coats. But since the weather's been really janky, I had to get her a coat and everything. So we went to Carter's, went to Ulta, Carter's, TJ Maxx, Ross and stuff, looking for a coat and everything. So finally got her one and all that. And then we went to the monster truck show, and that's it. That is it, y'all. Because the only reason I was hesitant about going was just because of all the cases, and you know, when things come to this area, everybody goes. Yeah, it's kind of like you have to wait for things to come or things to happen. It's not like things are always going on and stuff. So, you know, I would have felt bad. Like I told the big guys today, I was like, I would feel bad as a mom if we didn't take our son to go see his favorite thing in the world, because he loves Hot Wheels, he loves monster trucks, he loves cars. So we had to go, but because of the cases and stuff, I was like, and that's why I didn't get the tickets ahead of time. But after having mom guilt is the worst. I was like, you know what, we gonna go. We'll just wear a mask and, you know, try to sit away from people. But I guess people bought tickets after me, because where I had us seated, there was nobody, no tickets were bought around us. But by the time I get there, it was like super crowded, and I'm like, oh my God, where are all these people coming from? On Ticketmaster, all these people didn't buy a ticket, so where y'all coming from? So anyway, I'm just rambling, y'all. Excuse the blind. Tristan was playing with it and it cracked and stuff. But yeah, so I am exhausted. I have to get to bed, get these kids ready for bed. Did you enjoy it, Maddie?
Yeah.
What was your favorite?
Demo derby.
Demo derby. Cool. All right, you know it's time for bed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's head upstairs and go. Let's get upstairs and brush our teeth. I'm just rambling. Let me start wearing my hair like this. So this is a wig, y'all. Oh, well, it looked like my hair grew overnight. All right. I'm just kidding. But yeah, this is my wig. One of the wigs that I sold, and I had it, and so I was like, let me put it on, because it's just, you know, the kiki texture and everything. So I was like, let me go ahead and just throw this on. But anyway, y'all, I'm cold, I'm tired, and I'm ready to go to bed. So that being said, oh, and they didn't call me for my glucose test, my results, and she said, they don't call you, you're good. So I passed, yes. Because I was a little worried. I was like, okay. So hopefully, you know, they don't call me on Monday. But she said if they don't call you like a couple of hours after checking your results, because they have to check your blood and stuff, then you're good to go. So they didn't call me, which is a good sign. So I passed, yeah. So I don't have to drink that warm Fanta or that warm flat soda thing ever again. Because this is the last one. Oh my God, my shirt got messy, y'all. I'm so messy. My ketchup and stuff all on it. But yeah, cheers to baby number 3. And my camera cut off, so that means I need to go to bed. So y'all have a good night. We'll see you guys in the next vlog, and have a great week. And I love you guys. Bye. Peace.